I'm going to start off with a warning that there's going to be a fair few F-bombs in this vlog. I will be swearing, I will not be editing it out, because what I'm about to talk about is so ridiculous and stupid that it deserves a lot of swearing, and it deserves to be uncensored. This is what happened when I tried to renew my car insurance recently. My car insurance company sent me a renewal quote, and I looked at it and I went, hang on a second, my circumstances have really changed. Like, I'm using the car less than half the mileage than I used to do. I'm no longer commuting into London, so I don't leave my car parked at a commuter train station all day long, anything like that, you know. Things have changed. So I called them up to give them this new information, and I was genuinely expecting my renewal quote to go down. And yeah, I was mistaken. Here's what happened. The woman I was speaking to asked me, when I said I'm no longer working as a project manager in City, she went, so what are you doing now? And I said, well, in reality, I'm unemployed, but I'm trying to start my own business. Oh, okay, so what is your business? And I went, okay, I run a small YouTube channel and I'm trying to expand my offerings around that to try and make a bit of money. Oh, I have no idea how we treat that. Can I put you on hold for a minute? Yeah, sure. A minute turned into 20. She had me on hold for 20 minutes. And then she got back to me and she said, we treat vloggers the same as sports personalities and other famous people. And I just laughed and I went, what? I'm famous now? And she went, yeah, so I'm really sorry to tell you, but we're going to have to cancel your car insurance with 1 week's notice. We can no longer insure you. I hope this is okay. No, this is not okay. This is 100 different flavors of so not okay. What the actual? Like, I couldn't believe my ears. I was absolutely shocked, and I was like, but why is this? I'm not making any money from my YouTube channel. I have 2,500 subscribers. I'm unemployed. And she's like, yeah, but you have it doesn't matter if you make money of this or not. You have a public social media presence. You are a vlogger, and vloggers are classed as high-risk categories. If you were to make a claim and our underwriters found out that you have a YouTube channel, that claim will be invalid. Fuck. Literally. Just fuck. I left that conversation speechless. She cancelled my insurance. She sent out the cancellation email. She refunded the money that were left on my terms, and it was £18. So, you know, not an awful lot. And I kind of went into like, crap, I have to fix this. So I just sat down and I started Googling, and I was trying to find a different renewal quote, and I was talking to other insurers, and I was so stressed out. Yeah, absolutely. I wasn't thinking logically at that point. I was just really stressed out. Complete panic station, right? And then in the middle of this, we get a message from school, from Elin's school, saying, her bubble has burst, her year group is closing down, she's being sent home to isolate. So she's isolating with her dad. My insurance is cancelled and invalid. What do? I have Alice, who needs to go to and from school because she's not isolating because she wasn't actually with Elin at the time. Like, what do? I slept on it. I bitched about it to a fair few people. I got a little bit more perspective, And I got to a point where I was like, no, this is ridiculous. Like, somebody has misunderstood something. There's a breakdown in communication here. Like, this person I spoke to clearly thinks my YouTube channel is a lot more than it really is, right? So I called LV back and I spoke to somebody else, and I basically went into, you know, I had this conversation, but really, you know, I think there's been a breakdown in communication, and I just want to straighten things out. The next person I spoke to was equally adamant that I am uninsurable because I have a public social media presence. They would not back down on this. If you have a YouTube channel, you are a vlogger, and vloggers are a high risk category when it comes to car insurance. I'm like, seriously, why? Yeah, okay, I might drive to a location to vlog, but I'm not driving my car through a river and to catch the footage of it. I'm not driving whilst holding the camera and, you know, driving here and looking there and like I'm not a high risk person, and also what I vlog about it's not controversial, I'm not unpleasant, I'm only trying to help people. Nope, your insurance invalid, we're sticking to the cancellation. I'm like, right, well, sorry, you're gonna mess with the shield maiden. So, I wrote a letter, and with the help of my friend Emma, we emailed this through LinkedIn. She has LinkedIn Premium, that's why she helped me. To the CEO of LV, to the marketing director of LV, to the head of retail products of LV. Like, she sent it, I think she sent it to like 10 different people. And this is the letter, or some extracts out of the letter that I wrote. I have been told that LV can no longer offer me car insurance because I have a smaller online presence in which I offer support and information to parents of disabled children. LV is classing me as a vlogger and therefore a high risk category. I am absolutely shocked about this. I am not a famous person. I am an unemployed, single special needs mom who rely on the car as I have 2 young children, one who has additional and complex needs. To cancel my insurance policy with a week's notice and to state that any claim I make would be invalid because I have a small presence on YouTube, a fraction of the number of subscribers that LV has, I might add, is discriminatory and unacceptable. At the moment, my disabled daughter is isolating together with her father due to COVID, and without the car, I cannot support them with groceries, medicine collections, or any other assistance, which is putting her at severe risk. Not only is LV taking away my ability to support an extremely vulnerable child, you are putting a cancellation mark against my name, which will affect me financially on any other car insurance I'm buying at a time when I don't have an income. Because I, like millions of other people, have a presence on YouTube. My audience are other special needs parents as well as adults with disabilities and chronic conditions. There is nothing high risk or fame worthy with what I do. I put my own time into supporting other parents in a similar situation to mine, yet I am being penalised for being supportive and helping other people. I expect the cancellation to be revoked immediately and my car insurance to remain valid until the end of the policy. I also expect an apology for the stress caused and time I've had to spend on this. And I expect LV to commit to reviewing how they class content creators, as we are all extremely different and cannot be classed within the same level of risk. The head of retail products did get back to me. And they did reinstate my insurance for the remainder of the term. They also offered to stand by their renewal offer, so I could have insured with them for another year. Needless to say, I didn't. I did go to another provider. But he was also absolutely adamant that they do not insure people with a public social media presence. And I'm like, okay, so I have this tiny little niche YouTube channel that I'm currently not making a living of. I would love to make a living of it, but I'm currently not. And therefore, because I have that, I'm uninsurable. Yeah. Okay, so my friend Sam from Day Tips, who is a marketing consultant, his main business is being a marketing consultant, but he markets himself by putting videos up on YouTube, giving away free advice. He's uninsurable. Yes. My friend Rebecca is not on YouTube, she's on Instagram, but she has a large following. She does videos, little snippet videos and tutorials on how to do interactive, learn through play activities with your children. She's uninsurable. Yes. Are you for real? I'm like, LV have a YouTube channel. And he went, yeah, of course. Yeah, and you have 2.7 million subscribers. I have 2,500, you have 2.7 million. Yeah. And your employers are appearing in videos on this channel talking about what it's like working for the company. Yeah. So they are uninsurable because their faces appear on these videos? No. Right, what about the people behind LV, the people who actually run this channel, who produce and publish this content? They're uninsurable? No! Okay, it feels like a bit of a double standard here. No, but, you know, like any big business, we need to have a YouTube channel in order to create awareness of the brand name. Yeah. And to make sure that our business is visible in the public space. Yeah. What's the fucking difference? Like, come on! You are literally doing what I'm doing. But you're doing it on a larger scale and that's fine. But you want to penalise me because no. Fuck this. It is just, oh my word. Yeah, so no, I am no longer with LV. I've changed my insurance provider. I have a valid car insurance. I have put an awful lot of thought into this, and it is still ridiculous. It is absolutely bloody stupid. It was so stressful at the time. It caused me a lot of headache and a lot of stress and a lot of extra work that I really didn't need right then. Now I'm laughing at it, but I've got to be honest with you, I'm quite riled up just talking about it. But, you know, on the other hand, I'm famous now. LV says so.